Students, it is the first lecture of Math 708 of this week. Here I will explain you about what we have to read in this course, what we have to study in this course. That is the title of this course, Math 708, which is computer applications, software computer application. Credit hours of this course 4 to 4. It means that there are 2 lectures of theory in a week and 2 lectures of practical. Each lecture of theory consists on 50 minutes and the lecture of practical consists on 100 minutes. Total marks, either please make a correction. It is marks. Total marks of this course are 80 and marks for practicals are 40. The distributions of all these marks is given here. The midterm examination consists on 12 marks, final examination 24 marks, assignment 4. And there will be a 40 marks for practical, which will be the end of this semester or along with the final examination. No practical examination will be held in midterm examination. In practical, I will try to explain you, I will try to teach you SPSS, R software and Python. And in theory, let me share the contents of theory of this course. This is a book which we will share. We will teach from here. I will teach this book, a textbook of computer application in business, BCom Part 1, written by Tasneem Mustafa and Tariq Mahmood. If you will purchase this book, it is good. If you do not like to purchase this book, then also I will share the content of this this book with you, which I will teach you during this semester. The detail of the articles or content included in this course are given below. You can see, you can open the book, and for midterm examination you have to prepare the article 1.2, that is characteristics of computer, 1.3 uses of computer, and then 1.6 types of computers, 1.6.1 analog computers, 1.6.2 digital computers, 1.6.3 hybrid computers, then 1.8, that is 1.8 information technology, 1.9 number systems, then from chapter number 2, second chapter, 2.1 hardware, 2.2 components of computer, 2.6 is central processing unit, 2.7 memory, 2.7.1 random access memory, 2.7.2 read-only memory, 2.8 basic units of data storage, 2.13 factors affecting processing speed of a computer, 2.14 computer buses, 2.15 terminals, and then chapter number 3, which is computer software and languages. Complete this chapter will be included in the midterm examination. In final term examination, there will be included complete chapter number 4, 5 and 24. Chapter number 2 is chapter number 4 is computer networks and data communications. Chapter number 5, data processing, and chapter number 24, internet and emails. Thank you, students.